Hey guys and gals, this is Eric with Partner with Eric and the Gold and Silver Opportunity 7K Metals. We have a unique opportunity because I also help you put people under you so that you can start to earn residual income so that you can purchase gold and silver. This is a private membership. And in order to understand that, you've got to realize that this company gives you the opportunity because they store gold and silver like a Fort Knox for their members. If you want to circumvent all of the craziness that's going on and not have to rely on looking online frantically at times to try to find gold and silver to purchase in a bulk purchase, or if you're looking for collector coins as well, you definitely want to consider looking at this free training that will tell you about how this membership benefits you in pretty much every way, shape, and form. As you can see, we've got our dealer direct for our specific members. You don't see a price. You don't see that they're available. They're after hours because you're not a member, okay? But if you were, you would definitely be able to see a lot more than you do. Now, I'm going to take you to the main back office of this membership to show you what I feel is the biggest asset for being a member with us in 7K Metals. It's called our Sound Money Wallet. Okay, now this is a wallet that you're going to see me here in a second take some cash and actually purchase gold or silver with it immediately. I don't have to call anybody on the phone. I don't have to worry if they're going to have any gold and silver available. I can do it at my leisure because I am a member. It's a private membership. This is how we're circumventing the powers that be in trying to control our financial destiny and wealth. So take a look and see how I do this with the Sound Money Wallet. The only real reason you would connect a bank account to this is if you wanted to put your own cash back here and then purchase gold or silver with it. Otherwise, all of this income that you see right here is from residual income that I have earned in the past month and a half. Okay, so it's very simple. Watch what I do now in purchasing gold and silver. I will click on the transfer button. I have to put in what we call a security code. So I go to my phone and I check for that security code so that we can make sure that we are definitely secure. I'll put in the code now. And as you can see, this is basically like my own bank account. Now we're in. I'm going to push the transfer button again, and now you see another button comes up. And I'm going to take my cash balance of 103 and destination, I'm going to buy some gold. Okay? So I want to add to my gold balance, and I want to add the full amount, 103.10. Now, as you can see, it says transferring 103.10 from cash to so many ounces of gold. Your Sound Money cash balance will be reduced, and the processing fee is free. I transfer. Sorry, that's 01. It's not 1. Sorry. I transfer, and that's how quickly it is, ladies and gentlemen. And now all of a sudden, I have gold in my back office. Now, you can have that gold and or silver sent to you directly as well. You can leave it in that as a storage, and it is a secure private vault in the United States under your name, under your membership, or you can have it sent to you directly. Now, here are some of the main benefits of the Sound Money Wallet. You can obviously fund your account easily. Your account, you can wire transfer your account, like I've said. You can earn commissions on the 7K business that I'm also offering you, which is a residual income. And it will be automatically deposited into that Sound Money Wallet. You can exchange cash to gold. You can exchange cash to silver. You can actually send member to member gold and silver, cash, and it is all free to members only. You can exchange gold back into cash. You can exchange silver back into cash, as if your own little Wall Street is earning a residual income. Once it goes up, you profit from the increase. And you can also, as it says, get gold and silver sent to you requested once you make your purchase. So that being said, this should open up a lot of people's eyes in understanding how important this is to be able to have your own private membership to where you can purchase gold and silver anytime you want. And this is for beginners, intermediate, and advanced. If you are interested in collector coins, there are plenty of collector coins available for the members as well. They also have a special membership drop on Monday nights that most people don't know and most people don't see, that are coins that are very rare and that they can collect and purchase at that point. But it's not given to anyone else, especially in the retail space. So as you can see, this is a wonderful opportunity for people who want to gain control of their wealth and learn how to increase their wealth on a monthly basis with gold and silver. And you can imagine how many people are really looking to purchase gold and silver every month or every day, and you could give them that opportunity to do it by purchasing from themselves. So if you're interested, click on the link in the description below. We have free training. You go through the process, and then you can set an appointment and you'll connect with me. And if you're serious, we'll get you started from that point. Again, my name is Eric with Partner with Eric and with 7K Metals. Have a great day, guys and gals.